Welcome back to the channel and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial how to create a transparent gloss effect with clipping mask. Start with a colorful abstract background, then draw a rounded rectangle in the center. Now fill it with white and reduce opacity to 20%. Then add an image layer above the rectangle, right click and apply create clipping mask. The textures will fit only inside your gloss area and also add inner shadow for realistic depth. Use Gaussian blur to the soft for the background and then add a highlights using a white brush on edges. Apply drop shadow for a floating effect. Insert text inside the gloss with light font and also add a reflections using a gradient shape and